This is your girl Keisha coming back with another video. So today's video will be different. I'm going to do a reaction video. This is like my first ever reaction videos. Let me tell you something, I really enjoy reaction videos. I'm sure you do too. That's why you here, that's why you watching. So I hope you enjoy. This video will be about motorcycles. So let's see how these people do. Let's get into this video. All right. Ain't nobody around. I know you embarrassed, but ain't nobody around. Look at this fool. Look at this fool. Oh my goodness. Yo. This ain't gonna go well. Yep. Whoa. You crying like a baby? You knew you wasn't ready? Oh man. Damn.
Was jumping. Jumping.
That is funny. All right, y'all. So y'all just seen, y'all just seen those people trying to ride a motorcycle. Let me tell you something. If your ass is not skilled in riding a motorcycle, stay your ass off on a motorcycle. That stuff is dangerous. But I understand, you gotta try. You gotta learn some way somehow. But that stuff is dangerous. And if you are gonna ride a motorcycle, and you're learning for the first time, at least make sure you have the proper gear. You have your helmet on, you geared up. So if you do fall or crash, you can kind of break that fall and crash, having the proper protection on. At least be smart about it. All right, so I hope y'all like this video. All right, if you want, you can subscribe if you like, comment, and I'll check me back in the next video. All right, bye.